Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. We just hit 470 subscribers, so thank you guys. We're almost at 500, so hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna try, let's make a goal at the end of August to hit 500, so it's only 30 more. It's the beginning of August right now. So by the title of this video, I will get to Mackenzie getting onto the bike, but I want to just address two things real quick. One comment was, how much did you pay in the fines? I didn't pay anything in the fines yet. I actually have a conference at the court September 14th. So it's not a trial or anything. It's just a conference for like a plea deal or something. I don't know. But that's what's happened with that. And this other person said, if you guys watched the video where I got pulled over, my bike wouldn't start. So he said, I'm gonna try it. He said, disconnect your battery while it's running. If it doesn't stall, it's your battery. I don't know how true that is, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Watch me get electrocuted because of this. I don't know how safe it is.
This is not safe.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Metal and metal to electricity, not good.
I have the battery completely out.
It's not stalling.
It's not stalling. Oh shit.
A bolt just fell right there.
Okay, so apparently if that's true, it's not my battery because I just took the whole thing out. So I disconnected the battery and the bike was still running, it didn't stall. And also my conference meeting is September 14th, so save the date in your calendar. I know everyone wants to see you on the bike right now, so I'm just gonna take it up and down the block, just to make sure everything's good. I saw a cop go by here before.
Did you?
Yeah. Right when I got the bike out, I was like, oh, hi. Oh.
So we're going 5 miles back.
Yeah. Okay, I told her that I'm gonna stay in first gear because she's kind of nervous. Oh, I didn't even tell him. To get her on this bike, we had to make a bet that, what was it again? It was that.
If I guess the price, I get it.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go to like 2 or 3 stores, and if she guesses the price of the item, you guys know that challenge. She gets the price of the item, I'll buy it for her. I had to make that deal with her for her to get on the bike. And I'm just going right down the block and back. That's it. Just to get her like a little bit used to it because she hasn't been on with me. Hold your hand. One right there, one right there. That's fine now. No, I just cleaned it. You gotta loop it. Unloop it. No, you didn't. Wait, did you see how to do it? I know, let me do it for you. Let me do it. You're so short. I gotta.
Oxygen!
I gotta get every angle possible because this might be the last time she ever does this for me. She ever does this for me. I can't speak English.
I'm scared.
You're fine, I promise.
There's so many cars.
I'm gonna wait till they go by.
I don't want to get burned. Oh my god. Where's the pedals? Oh. Oh, I hate my life.
fine, I promise.
I really hate you.
You have the visor down or not?
I can't hear you.
I said you have the visor down or not?
Yeah.
Okay. See, it's not bad, right?
You're not gonna turn with me, are you?
No, I am, but I'm gonna go right here. Right here. That's in first.
It's bumpy.
I know, because I'm in first gear and I'm supposed to be in second.
Don't.
But I'm not gonna switch, okay?
I don't know how to turn. I don't know how to turn. I hate you. I hate you. It's stalling.
It's not.
It's bumping, John.
I'm gonna wait for the car, baby.
I don't like this.
I'm gonna wait for the car, alright? I go into second or no?
Yeah, you can go in a second. I don't care.
Okay, so
If you have to, go into second.
yeah, it stops functioning then.
Oh. I hate my life.
I'm only going 15.
Okay, stop. Slowly.
Going down.
I get off now.
Yeah, watch her.
Fuck that. Never going on again. So you'll never see that again.
Really? It was that bad?
Unless I'm driving myself, you ain't gonna ever see this
Wait,
again.
was it really that bad?
I don't like you being in control.
What did I
I
do?
mean, like me being in control.
But it wasn't terrible.
No, it wasn't. Now, I get that money.
Yeah.
Shopping. Now I get to shop.
So stay tuned to that video. That's gonna be. Oh god.
Interesting.
Was that really worth it? Was that? Yeah, it was.
I'll kill you, bitch. I didn't see you from the back.
Should I?
Yeah, my butt's gonna be. John, more.
How are they gonna see my face?
That's not the point. No one wants to see your ugly face. Everyone wants to see my ass.
I'm gonna stand it